Hi there! Today, we are going to talk about how to set a survey form and thank you emails with survey URL and where to download the report. To start over, ask the attendees when they still have fresh memories. You can send the event feedback survey with thank you email or even ask them to answer when they are leaving the event to collect the data that is the most accurate. First, go to the survey page in the menu bar. Users can click to edit the default survey form or create a new form by clicking the New Survey button in the top right corner. When you create a new survey, you will need to name it like this. After that, you can insert a code if you desire for a specific link for the survey form instead of the auto-generated one, and then click Create Survey button. You can see the design survey page now, and the survey is automatically on. If you would like to disable the survey, you can simply click the button on top right corner to do so. You can apply the standard or thank you template for the survey. Now, let me choose the thank you template and apply it. If you would like to change the image, click the image and choose your logo and upload it. After that, you can edit the question here. They include multiple choice, rating, text, and section. You can click the checkbox to make the question required and save it. More than that, you can freely swap the question positions by dragging them. On the Design Survey page, there is a Response button in the top right corner. Click it and you will see the survey analysis and response report. You can click the Export button to download the report. If you want to remove it, click the Clear button. Now, go back to the survey list page, and you will find the new survey over there. There is a Copy button, and you can copy it to edit the content of another survey if they share similar content. On the Design Survey page, you'll see a URL which is actually your survey link. Besides the link, you can generate the survey QR code by clicking this button. You can use this QR code display to share the link with your attendees, so that they can scan and submit the survey. If you want to see who did the survey, you can copy the merge tag here, and then put them in your email or SMS content. So, you can export the survey report and feel who replied your survey. Now, let's go to the broadcast email page. You can create a thank you email here. Scroll down and find Scheduled Email. Now, let's click to create a thank you attendees email. And you'll see our thank you email template. There is a button for filling in the survey. Click to edit the message. More than that, you can click the Fill in Survey button to paste a unique merge tag or link for the survey URL. Afterward, save the changes and you can send out to your attendees. On the EMS platform, when you click the Dashboard button, you can find the attendance report in this page, which is based on the check-in app. If you would like to download the report, click the Report button. So, you can download the attendees report, financial report about the tickets, and survey report here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.